Hey, what's going on, guys? I got my trusty old Benchmade 941 here. I don't know if you guys noticed. Probably not, but I do. I sent it out for a new blade. What happened was when I first got it, I'm not a great sharpener, especially a year ago. Today, I'm a little bit better. But I actually made a belly here on the old one. So, yeah, sent it in, gave them what they wanted, and they did what they had to do. And then today, I took it apart. I cleaned the washers. I've already tuned those up. Funny thing is, with the new blade, I got absolutely perfect centering. Now, here's the thing. Another thing I got out of this was, watch this. Okay. And that is with no play at all. Talk about getting a lucky one, huh? The other one, the original blade, to get it to be this loose, it had very minimal play. You would have to go all the way to the tip of the blade to feel it. And you would feel it, you wouldn't see it. It would just be a slight back and forth. But with this one, not even. So I don't know. What does it all boil down to? Probably nothing. But I've got this almost a year now. And I still have not used it very hard. Yeah, I'm not left-handed, you could tell, huh? I put the bug out clip on it. Still no damage anywhere. Still kept it really nice. I don't really use it for anything hard because I'm afraid of the handles breaking. But then I Googled the strength of carbon fiber, and carbon fiber is 3.8 times stronger than aluminum. So if the original one was tough, this thing, it could probably do some nasty stuff if I needed to. I mean, you're not going to baton with it, but I don't have to worry about forcing down and having this all crumble up because it's weak. No, it's a lot stronger than I thought it was. But yeah, that's that. New blade. Nice little tune-up. I could sit here for hours and just flick this thing. It's so loose that, yeah, you got to be quick on that lock, or it'll keep bouncing like that. See? All right, guys. Let me stop playing. See you on the next one.